This wasn't an upgrade, but it came with the bike, and I guess it is an upgrade. I bought the upgraded package. I got the race package on the S1000, and one of the selling points was the M Endurance chain, which is this gold chain right here. And the M Endurance chain, and it was advertised to me or sold to me as a maintenance-free chain. And so on my last bike, I had to service the chain a lot, maybe every few hundred miles, lots of cleaning. I cleaned this chain too, but it was lots of cleaning, and the chain would sag maybe after 500 miles or so. And so it was like constant maintenance. And if you don't do it yourself and you have to pay for that, it's like $40 a pop, and it just takes time and energy and money, and it just was like a headache. This off top was already saving me about $40 a month in like maintenance and time, maybe more. And it holds up to his name. I keep it pretty clean for the most part, but I've taken the bike in to change tires, and then I'll even ask like, hey, can you do a chain adjustment? And they look at it and they're like, dude, it doesn't need adjustment, it's just fine, but we'll clean it. It holds up to his name, doesn't sag, holds its shape, and I think it's advertised to last the life of the bike, or maybe a real lot of miles, but very nice to have. Very nice to have. One less thing to think about.